Your boat is cutting through the water on your way to a day of fun in the sun. You have your new Garmin Echomap helping you on your way. This amazing machine can help you safely get to where you want to go, stop you from going in circles, and just make your time out on the water more fun and stress-free. Let's see what charting it offers and how it can help. There are several models and generations of the Garmin Echomap available with different screen sizes and minor software differences. The one we're looking at today is a Garmin Echomap 94 UHD. Charts. It has three types of charts preloaded: fishing charts, navigation charts, and perspective 3D. Now this is a 94 model, and the 4 indicates it comes with preloaded US coastal charts. Those include your fishing charts, which have all your bathymetrics or detailed depth contours. If we zoom in here, you can see all your bathymetric lines with a nice level of detail, including wrecks and reefs. Here, for example, is a submerged barge, and if I click on it, information will pop up that tells me what it is, along with other options, including the option to navigate to it. If you notice, the redraw is very fast with a lot of charting information. While the processor in this machine isn't the fastest out there, it's perfectly adequate for zooming in and out, and you do have a lot of detail on these charts. So if we go back to the chart menu, next is navigation charts. This one has your Navionics charts combined with Garmin's own G charts for a great combination with a ton of detail. Let's zoom into Stiltsville here, just off Key Biscayne, and you can see it is very highly detailed. In this model, you have this level of detail for the entire coast of the United States preloaded in the machine with nothing extra you have to purchase, so it's a really good value. And of course, you can always add charts too if needed. If we go back again, then we have Perspective 3D view. Perspective 3D takes you up above the water as if you're looking over the top of your boat. You've got your boat here and you can see 3D perspective. You can spin around and see what's around you. You can see where the shallow water is, the depth contour shading, and the like. In this mode, you really do get a unique and fantastic visual perspective. Looking up above the boat, it's as if you are a bird flying above and can see everything from up high. You can change the angle of the perspective by zooming in and out. You can make it more like a traditional chart, or if you want to come right down to the boat, zooming in, you can spin around and you're going to see the markers, and they're flashing just as they would at night. You can see all the markers around you along with depth and shading. A really cool feature that you'll find yourself using a lot. Changing the perspective a little by bringing it up a little bit more, you can have better perspective from a higher vantage point for great situational awareness. Right about here is where I really like to use it. It just gives me the best option. And then we click home. That's charting. Now you can add charting such as various Navionics charts by adding pre-programmed micro SD cards in this slot. Some of these charts will give you added features such as dock-to-dock auto routing, as well as other features such as aerial photography of major passes, marinas, ports, etc., custom depth contour color shading, satellite imagery that you can fade in and out, and a lot more. A great chart plotter with a lot of charting features. Definitely worth checking out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you back here soon.